Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Priyanka here to explain you about the life processes. We are continuing with life process and today we'll learn about the respiration in plants. We have already completed the whole nutrition part earlier. If you haven't seen it, then please check my description box below. I'll share the links in there. So first of all, let us learn what is respiration in plants. What is respiration? You all know, right? That exchange of gases in the cells or at cellular level. It is a biochemical process. Since the aerobic respiration pathways depend on oxygen, aerobic organisms need to ensure that there is sufficient intake of oxygen. We have seen that plants exchange gases through stomata, and the large intercellular spaces ensure that all cells are in contact with air. We have seen that plants exchange gases through stomata. On basic level, they will exchange through stomata. And where are these stomata present? They are present inside on the leaves, right? The lower epidermis have gaps and they are stomatas. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged by diffusion. Here we have learned what is diffusion. We'll also revise that afterwards. They can go into cells or away from them out into the air. The direction of diffusion depends upon the environmental conditions and the requirement of the plant. Means plant will make sure that whenever it wants to open the guard cells, or for example, if the leaves want to do photosynthesis, that time these guard cells will open, the stomata pores will open and share the exchange the gases, right? And whenever it does not want to respirate or it don't want to transport any gases, then it will remain closed. See, this is the function of guard cells. These are guard cells and the gap inside is called as stomata. They are present at the lower epidermis of leaves. Now, what is diffusion? A spontaneous movement of molecules from region of high concentration to lower concentration. Means diffusion is movement of molecules or movement of gases from higher concentration to lower concentration. Let us learn with the help of picture. See here, if this area is having a lot of gases and they don't have or they have large molecules, then they will get transport from this area. Diffusion of oxygen into cell. The concentration of oxygen molecules is greater outside, right? In this side you can see larger molecules of oxygen are present outside the cells. So diffusion will take place and oxygen molecules enters into the cell. In second picture you can see that oxygen level is equal, right? So this is diffusion we have learned in 8th standard. Now exchange of gases in plants. We have seen that basic exchange of gases is happening at the leaf level. Now we will learn in roots how it diffuses inside the root. Oxygen diffuses root hair and passes into the root cells. Means roots are underground, right? And they engulfs all the nutrients. Now how do they do this? They diffuses all the nutrients or gases inside the hair cells, root hair cells. In stems, gaseous exchange occurs through the small pores found on the stem called lenticles. Now, lenticles are those ruptured cells through that the gaseous exchange is done. Now, photosynthesis at day and night. We all know that the leaves have pigment called chlorophyll, they absorb the sunlight, right? And they do the photosynthesis. They engulfs or they absorbs carbon dioxide during the day, right? And at night, as they are not doing photosynthesis, they are not taking carbon dioxide inside. Instead, they are doing the other process and they are releasing oxygen at day, right? So this was the respiration in plants. In next video, we will be learning respiration in human beings. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it for the further notification. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.